Hello writers, welcome to the short video how to insert an em dash into your document. So here you are typing and you want to insert the em dash for added emphasis for a long pause, and you're not sure how, because if you just hit the dash you only get this tiny dash. And you want the longer dash, which is typically the size of an M, so it's a little bit wider, and we call that the em dash. So what you want to do is you want to click Insert, Special Characters. You could do one of two things. You could draw the symbol, and it will pop up here. As you could see, this is katakana. We don't want that. But here's the em dash. You can find it right there. Or you could type in the keyword. Okay, and then just hover over it to make sure that, okay, and then it is now included. Remember, you don't want any spaces between your em dash and your text. So let me show you that one more time. Insert, special character, em dash. No spaces. And that is how to insert an em dash into your document.